Now, Waynesboro is just surrounded by mountains, right?
Yep.
So I should see mountains all the way around.
No,
Right?
not all the way around. To
Oh.
your left up through there is towards Stanton and stuff is.
Alright.
You have to go way on up there to see the mountains up there.
See, that's the camera right there.
And that's up on where the power lines are.
Uh-huh. There's the rich people over there and shit. Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the trees, the way they're changing colors.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. See, you made it all the way around just about.
Now see, the trick is, now see, just, that's pretty fucking fast. Okay, well, screw it, we're done.